Alright guys, I'm back here, and as you can see here in the instruction, it does have a built-in lithium battery. So it says sustainable, and then it's about 100 minutes worth of film. We don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they're claiming here, and that sounds pretty good. Anyway, these are part of the instructions if you guys are interested in taking a look. There, that's all we have. I don't think there's anything on the back. Oh no, there is. Okay. Not sure if this really matters that much. It's about formats. But yeah, anyway. Looks like it's going to be fun to use. It has its own little battery in there. It looks super cute, and look, it's about the size of my thumb. So it's very, very tiny. It's very light, so I expect it'll do well on pretty much any airplane that you attach it to. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.